I've been wanting to say this to you for a very long time, so I'm really going to remember this when I say, Austin, Texas, welcome to the Fearless Tour 2010! And now this is just my personal opinion, but I think you're going to agree with me when I say that I think the opening acts killed it tonight. What do you think? First up, we had a group that is one of the hottest things in country music right now. I'm so happy to have them on the tour. What did you think of Gloriana tonight? And then one of my closest friends in the world, the beautiful and talented Kellie Pickler. Can I just say, I am so happy to be with you tonight, Austin, Texas.